Alright, it worked. So.
Alright, y'all, it's recording.
How about this will just be a trial ride?
No, I think she's gonna do it.
She's not even to the hill yet.
But she's somersaulting.
Come on, Grace! Come on, Grace! Keep going!
Good try, guys. There's a stick.
So Grace is attempting to roll uphill.
I'm gonna get like 20 fucking bucks, dude. You will have earned them.
For 20 bucks.
You gotta lose something on your back.
Just a little. It's so steep.
Come on, Grace.
Oh man.
Fuck.
This is your Mount Everest. You can do it.
Don't go down. You're not somersaulting.
Hey.
Lord, what are you doing? I can't do it.
Chance or won't?
Andy, try to somersault on this hill with me.
Okay.
Fuck this.
Come on, Grace.
The glass is so slippery.
Did you say glass or grass?
Look at this shit. It's just like not even real. And there's a pothole.
Come on.
Oh my god, yes, we can do it, Andy. Let me take off my.
Are you done, Grace? Do you give up?
You're so close.
Because I gotta film Andy and Mary too.
You're so close.
You can do it. One more somersault.
Okay.
No, I can't.
This is gonna be a really tough one, guys.
This is gonna be terrible. Yay!
Yeah.
Fuck yes! Now watch me roll down the hill.
Okay.
Dude, I'm gonna say that nauseous.